Welcome to Investor Web, your hub for insightful takes on technology and its impact on our world. We explore the crossroads of innovation and investment, unearthing how they intertwine to shape our future. Our commitment to provide you with valuable, engaging content that keeps you informed and ahead of the curve. As we navigate this digital age together, our discussion will always be fresh, always be relevant. Today we delve into a fascinating topic: 10 skills artificial intelligence has rendered obsolete. Stay tuned. Skill number 1, manual data entry. Imagine a time not too long ago when every bit of data needed to be inputted manually, a task not only time-consuming but also prone to human error. But today, we're witnessing a significant shift. Artificial intelligence has swooped in and transformed this process entirely. AI algorithms can now process vast amounts of data far more quickly and accurately than any human could. These intelligent systems are capable of reading, understanding, and entering data from various sources, including handwritten notes, printed documents, and even digital files. This automation has dramatically reduced the need for human involvement, saving countless hours of manual labor. Moreover, AI doesn't tire or lose focus, which significantly reduces the risk of errors. This increased efficiency and accuracy are invaluable, especially in fields where precision is paramount. So, the era of tedious manual data entry is slowly fading away, thanks to AI. Moving on to skill number 2, basic accounting. Once upon a time, this meant long hours hunched over ledgers, painstakingly crunching numbers. But with the advent of artificial intelligence, the landscape has dramatically changed. AI has revolutionized basic accounting by making it more efficient and significantly less error-prone. Picture this: no more manual entry of financial transactions, no more hunting for that elusive arithmetic error. Instead, sophisticated software now handles these tasks with ease, managing financial transactions and even generating comprehensive reports automatically. These AI-powered tools are not just about speed and accuracy, they also provide insightful data analysis, helping businesses make informed decisions. They can predict future trends, analyze expenditure, and even identify potential financial risks. It's like having a super-powered accountant who never sleeps. So while there's still a place for human insight in complex financial strategy, when it comes to the nuts and bolts of basic accounting, AI has certainly changed the game for accountants everywhere. Skill number 3 on our list: personal shopping. The retail industry has undergone a dramatic transformation, all thanks to the advent of artificial intelligence. Remember the days when we had to rely on sales associates to guide us through our shopping experience? Well, those days are long gone. Now AI has taken the reins, providing personalized recommendations based on our browsing history, previous purchases, and even our online behavior. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your tastes better than you do. But the capabilities of AI don't stop at recommendations. It's also revolutionizing the purchasing process. Automated purchasing systems can now analyze your buying patterns and automatically reorder items when they run low. This means you'll never have to worry about running out of your favorite products. Shopping has never been this convenient thanks to AI. Skill number 4, basic customer service. In the past, it was all about human interaction. But today, artificial intelligence, specifically chatbots, are transforming the landscape. These chatbots are designed to handle a multitude of customer inquiries, from providing information about products or services to resolving simple issues. They're like digital concierges working tirelessly around the clock 7 days a week to ensure customer queries are attended to promptly. This doesn't mean human customer service agents are obsolete. On the contrary, by automating the routine tasks, human agents are now able to focus on more complex issues that require human intuition and empathy. Furthermore, the use of AI in customer service allows for a more personalized customer experience. By analyzing customer data, AI can provide tailored recommendations and solutions, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. In this digital age, AI chatbots have proven to be a game changer, making customer service more efficient and effective. AI has indeed revolutionized the customer service industry. Halfway through our list, skill number 5, manual driving. Once upon a time, the ability to operate a vehicle was an essential skill. However, the rise of AI technology is shifting the paradigm. The advent of self-driving cars powered by sophisticated AI systems is making the art of manual driving less critical. These AI systems are capable of learning and adapting to the traffic environment, weather conditions, and even the driving habits of other road users. They never get tired or distracted, and they always follow the rules of the road. These features make them potentially safer and more efficient than human drivers. Moreover, the convenience offered by these autonomous vehicles is undeniable. Imagine being able to work, read, or even nap during your commute. The possibilities are endless. As we move forward, the need to manually control a vehicle is diminishing. The future of driving is autonomous, and it's all thanks to AI. Moving on to skill number 6, basic translation. Now, this is a fascinating one. With the dawn of artificial intelligence, we've seen a tremendous change in the way we handle languages. Gone are the days of thumbing through a hefty dictionary or trying to remember high school French. Today, AI-powered translation apps have made it easier than ever to communicate in any language. These intelligent systems can rapidly translate text from one language to another with an accuracy that would make even the most seasoned linguist blush. They're not just translating words, they're understanding context, picking up nuances, and even learning slang. This doesn't mean that human translators are obsolete, however. While AI is fantastic for basic on-the-go translation, the human touch is still needed for more complex tasks, such as interpreting cultural references or conveying emotion. But for simple, everyday communication, AI has truly broken down language barriers like never before. Skill number 7, house cleaning. It's a chore we've all had to wrestle with at some point, but artificial intelligence has swept in to make our lives a tad bit easier. With the advent of AI-powered robots, the task of maintaining a tidy living space has been revolutionized. These robots, equipped with sensors and advanced algorithms, can navigate around your home, vacuuming and mopping the floors, even reaching those pesky, hard-to-reach corners. They are capable of distinguishing between varying levels of dirt and debris, adjusting their cleaning methods accordingly. Beyond just floors, AI has also made its way into window cleaning and lawn care, with autonomous devices designed to handle these tasks with efficiency and precision. Imagine coming home to a spotless environment without lifting a finger. No more dust bunnies under the bed or streaky windows to dampen your day. Cleaning has never been this easy, all thanks to AI. Skill number 8, basic scheduling. It's a skill we've all needed, and perhaps struggled with at some point in our lives. Whether it's juggling work meetings, managing family events, or keeping track of personal appointments, we've all been there. But with the advent of artificial intelligence, this tedious task has been transformed. AI-powered personal assistants are now more than capable of managing our schedules. They can set reminders, schedule appointments, and even send emails on our behalf, all with a mere voice command or a few taps on a screen. These digital assistants are smart enough to understand context, analyze patterns, and even anticipate our needs. So gone are the days of flipping through diaries, scribbling notes, and setting manual reminders. With AI, scheduling has become a breeze. It's not just about saving time, it's about enhancing efficiency and productivity. AI has surely made scheduling more efficient and less time-consuming. Skill number 9, manual farming. Once upon a time, farming was a labor-intensive job, reliant on manual labor and the farmer's intuition. However, the advent of artificial intelligence has dramatically transformed this sector. The dawn of automated farming equipment has replaced the need for laborious manual tasks, such as plowing and sowing. These machines, guided by GPS and AI, can work around the clock, increasing efficiency and productivity. Moreover, AI has taken things a step further with predictive analytics for crop management. Farmers can now make informed decisions about when to plant, irrigate, and harvest crops based on data-driven insights. This not only optimizes yield, but also minimizes waste and resource usage. From sowing seeds to harvesting crops, artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we farm. The result: increased productivity, reduced waste, and a more sustainable agricultural industry. AI has certainly ushered in a new era of precision farming. Finally, skill number 10, basic journalism. We've seen an intriguing shift in the journalism industry. Artificial intelligence is now capable of generating basic news reports, particularly in data-intensive fields like sports or finance. This innovation is not about replacing journalists, but about assisting them. Imagine an AI system that can swiftly analyze a football match, providing detailed statistics, key moments, and even crafting a comprehensive game summary. Or consider a financial news bot that can digest complex economic reports and churn out an understandable article almost instantaneously. The speed, efficiency, and accuracy of these AI-powered systems are remarkable, and they're only getting better. This doesn't mean that human journalists are obsolete. Far from it. AI can handle the number crunching and provide raw data analysis, but the human touch is crucial for in-depth analysis, thoughtful commentary, and emotional resonance. AI has truly transformed the journalism landscape. And there you have it, 10 skills that AI has made less essential. We've journeyed through various sectors, from data entry to farming, accounting to customer service, and even personal shopping. AI's advancement has not only made these skills less crucial, but also significantly transformed how we approach them. Today, a blend of AI and human ingenuity is propelling us into an era of unprecedented efficiency and productivity. But as AI continues to evolve, so must we. The key lies not in resisting this evolution, but in adapting and identifying areas where human skills can still shine. Creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are just a few examples where we can augment AI rather than compete with it. AI isn't about making human skills useless, it's about freeing us to focus on what makes us uniquely human. So let's embrace this change and welcome the opportunities it brings. Thank you for joining us on Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep investing in your knowledge.